when you have certain amount of fluoride in your system, which goes inside through your drinking water, bathing water, and food, paste, all that, when the fluoride goes inside, it starts bringing certain agitated thinking. Continuously when the fluoride goes inside, you start having this agitated thinking for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 1 year. After that, even if the fluoride is stopped, this mental setup gets settled inside you permanently. How many of you understand what I am saying? Mental setup which is inspired by the toxins becomes permanent in you, even if the toxin supplies are stopped. Now, even if I stop, for example, all of you listen to me suddenly and stop allowing any kind of fluoride inside you. Even then, the setup you created inside does not go away immediately. That need to be broken. You have to remove all the corrosion, erosion. You have to remove all the rust, wear, tear. Please understand, fluoride is added in your water, in your food supply, in every possible way it is sent inside your body to make you dull. Fluoridated human beings can be slaves, can be ruled, can be abused. He will lose independent intelligence. It's one of the most powerful conspiracy against the human beings. Do not allow fluoride into your system in any possible way. Please understand, fluoride is a powerful way to keep you dull. The only difference between you and my balasans, why I am able to manifest so many powers, they are not fluoridated. That's all. Fortunately, I was not fluoridated because my gurus from the beginning insisted I eat not only vegetarian food, very organic. Literally almost I cook and eat. Major part of my life I cooked myself and ate. The things needed for cooking I begged always from the villagers who grow that in their ground, in their land. I can give you an example. Your third eye, as cord. I don't know how do you spell C-H-O-R-D. Cord and nerves. Everything just like other two eyes. And it is capable of internal vision, capable of external vision through initiation, awakening. Through awakening, it is capable of external vision. Without even initiation, it is capable of internal vision. With fluoridation, simply the power has been snatched away from you. The recent researchers are thoroughly proving third eye is an organ which has CHORD, cord and nerves just like other two eyes. And same way, between the two ears, just above the throat, there is one more intra-organ. In Sanskrit, in Vedic physiology, we call it Shrotra. We call that as one of the Indriya, which is a very powerful listener. Even that capacity is lost because of this fluoridation. The only difference is that why I am able to initiate them and manifest so many powers, why it takes so many days for me to make you manifest, because this toxic mental setup which you gained through fluoridation. Now I have to remove this toxic mental setup from you through completion, and I have to remove the ill effect of the fluoride on your physiology through Panchakriya. You are asked to do these 5 kriyas. How many of you have started doing? The 5 kriyas. And don't miss this Aritaki powder. That is very important to remove the ill effects of the fluoride on your system. This 21 days, don't miss Aritaki powder. All of you started taking Aritaki yesterday? Please don't miss. That will remove all the ill effects of the fluoride. When you go back, make sure your drinking water is not fluoridated. And don't even take bath in the fluoridated water, because even through skin fluoride gets into the system. No, 40%. For example, if your water, when you take bath, if the water has 100 gram fluoride, 40 gram gets in just by taking bath. Please be informed. In India, we take bath with the turmeric. Even men, women, anybody, we put the turmeric powder in the water and take bath. Women actually apply on the skin and take bath. Men put the turmeric on the water and take bath. Even turmeric goes only 30% inside by bath, through the snan, through the bathing. Fluoride goes 40% inside. Please do not allow your kids to use fluoridated toothpaste or fluoride in the food. Avoid fluoride in all forms. Avoid the toxins in all forms.